Centralized digital currency, often referred to as a cryptocurrency, that was created in 2009 by an unknown person or group of people using the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto. It was the first and remains the most well-known cryptocurrency. Here are some key aspects and characteristics of Bitcoin. 1. Decentralization. Bitcoin operates on a decentralized network called the blockchain. This means that no central authority, such as a government or financial institution, controls or regulates Bitcoin. Instead, the network is maintained by a distributed network of computers, nodes, that verify and record transactions. 2. Blockchain technology. Bitcoin's blockchain is a public ledger that records all transactions made with Bitcoin. Each transaction is grouped into a block and added to the chain in a sequential and immutable manner. This transparency and security ensure the integrity of the Bitcoin network. 3. Limited supply. Bitcoin has a limited supply. The total number of Bitcoins that can ever exist is capped at 21 million. This scarcity is designed to prevent inflation and maintain the value of the currency over time. New Bitcoins are created through a process called mining, where powerful computers solve complex mathematical problems to validate transactions and add new blocks to the blockchain. 4. Pseudonymity. Bitcoin transactions are pseudo-anonymous, meaning they are associated with unique wallet addresses rather than personal identities. While the transactions themselves are public and can be viewed on the blockchain, the identities of the individuals behind the wallets are not always easily identifiable. 5. Digital asset and medium of exchange. Bitcoin can be used as both a digital asset for investment and a medium of exchange for goods and services. Some merchants and online platforms accept Bitcoin as a form of payment, and there are also Bitcoin payment processors that facilitate transactions. 6. Volatility and speculation. Bitcoin's value is known for its volatility, meaning its price can experience significant fluctuations in relatively short periods. This volatility has led to Bitcoin being used as a speculative investment, with traders and investors attempting to profit from price movements. 7. Wallets and security. Bitcoin is stored in digital wallets, which can be software-based or hardware devices designed for secure storage. Wallets contain private keys that allow users to access and manage their Bitcoin holdings. It is crucial to protect these private keys and use secure practices to safeguard Bitcoin from theft or loss. Bitcoin has had a significant impact on the world of finance and has sparked the development of numerous other cryptocurrencies and blockchain projects. While Bitcoin has gained popularity and wider acceptance over the years, it is important to note that investing in Bitcoin or any cryptocurrency carries risks, and its value can be highly volatile. Individuals interested in Bitcoin should conduct thorough research, understand the risks involved, and consider seeking professional advice. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon.